Welcome back to Moonstone Crafts and welcome back to another post review. And I'm gonna reveal the painting to you. It's my rainbow eye. I finished my little rainbow eye. It was only 20 centimeters by 30 centimeters, so it was small, so it was supposed to go fast. Because I had a little break in between finishing this piece, I actually I'm just getting my app because I remember that I want to tell you guys how I did with this one. But it took me a little bit longer that way, otherwise it would have been finished sooner. But here it is. I worked a total of 18 hours and 47 minutes, plus minus, on it. Which is good, I guess. And it's a square diamond painting. The drills were good. I do have some notes on the drills, but I will tell those to you when I'm getting to that part. I think it looks pretty cute and good completed. Just lift it up. You can see my shiny washi tape that I used around it. So I already made it ready for me to hang here in my room, because I have a place for it already. I just needed to record this video. It was very colorful, very nice to do. As a side project, I enjoy these little ones. I enjoy the eyes a lot. So yeah, sticky canvas. I did use parchment paper squares that I cut up myself, and it didn't really work as I wanted it to, so I'm not going to use those anymore. On one part here in the middle, when I was working on it, it didn't want to come off anymore. And it's not like I didn't put the wrong side on, because I can put them on both sides, but apparently it didn't want to come off anymore. So yay, maybe it's because I used them twice. Maybe that was a parchment paper that I used before, that you can only use it once. I don't know, but nevertheless I'm not going to use that anymore. It turned out fine though. I could get it off. It just was a bit of extra time that I had to invest in it that I didn't want to do. So but it was still sticky enough for me to put the drills on, which is very nice. I will give you guys a little bit of a close-up look of the drills and everything, and then I will be back with the diamonds itself. So there we are with the drills. So this is the little parchment paper thingy that I used that I'm not going to use anymore, so I'm going to throw those away. And this is the way I kitted it up. You can see how I did that in my kit up video. It's the first time I used washi tape under my symbols and stuff that I put on with normal tape. It works fine, but as you can see, there were a few that just wouldn't stay on at one side, so I just gave up on those. But there's only 2 of them that had that. This one had it a bit, and the rest stayed on, so it worked pretty well, if I say so myself. But as you can see, not much left, and that's also because I picked through these diamonds after I finished. I picked through them. I made sure that only the good diamonds are left, because especially in 310 there were some really bad drills. So yeah, I'm not going to show you these. You can see them with my kit down. That will come up soon. But this is all the trash that I got out. And I will put it in a little tray so you can see it better. This is all the trash that I picked out after I finished. So not during the painting, but after I finished. And I was very critical on that one. I do have to confess. There are some in here that you maybe could use. That had like a little tiny bit of stuff. But yeah, I don't think it's worthy to keep those, the bad drills, in your storage. So I went through them, and as you can see, this is pretty, this is a lot. And as you can see, a lot of black. And some of the blue drills. Some drills didn't have any problems, so really was depending on the color. But this is the trash that actually I picked out after I finished. And of course I have my normal trash bucket. I will show you that one as well. And that's on the top of this one, which was not a lot. As you can see, there's not that much compared to what I picked out afterwards. This is nothing. So this is what I got out during the painting. So yeah, everything that really was really weird that I was like immediately pulled out of it. So yeah, that's my trash. Overall, I think that's pretty good for trash. If you don't take this with it, like the trash that I put out afterwards. I do think with this one was from Homfun Official Store. The 310 were way worse than they ever were with Homfun Store. So that was interesting. The batch that I got from Homfun Official Store, the 310s, are horrible. I have it with my other paintings as well that I'm doing right now. I never had that so much trash in my 310. Well, I'll do this in the trash. With my Homefun ones. So that's the difference I noticed. The rest is not really a difference, but that's one thing. So here goes the last bit of trash. Ooh, it goes in. It literally went in. So yay. That means this painting is now officially finished. And I can go do my next video on it, which is the kit down, of course. You will see that one as well. Let's take another look at this painting. I can hang it in my room officially. It's gonna be... Oh, look at the shine. I really liked it. Yeah, I'm pleased. I think I'm happy that I bought it and finished it. It's good. It's gonna be in my eye collection of diamond paintings. So yeah, that's all there's left. You'll see a kit down of this soon, and I'll speak to you guys the next video. So thanks for watching, and bye.